everyone. Today in this video I'm going to talk about affordable skincare products and also Korean beauty products that I'm lately using, and let's get into it. So I have also hair product, and I have all the products here, and so I'm going to start with this peeling gel. So this is from Beauty of Joseon, and this is really gentle peeling gel, and I actually tried it earlier, and my skin was really sensitive, so I used it on my face and to exfoliate my face. And I have a sensitive and an oily skin, so I think this is really gentle on a sensitive skin. So this is my new favorite, and next one is this Neutrogena sunscreen. So I always use sunscreen, and especially when it's in summer outside. So this one is really good and also affordable. So another Korean skincare. So another Korean skincare is Advanced Nail Cream. I think this costs around $20 or something, and this one was really gentle and also moisturizing too. And I also has this Pantene hair conditioner, and this one is really good for hair that is damaged and hair that's feeling dry, and I've been using it lately and loving it. And also this one has a like 350 ml, so this one will last for 6 months, and at least I use it for 6 months. So another one is this Anoa conditioning milk, and I saw this from TikTok and I thought I need it. So this texture is like really lightweight. And I'll show you guys. So this is like really cute pink color, and I think this is part of my night skincare routine. And the next one is of course we can't really forget about toner, and this toner is from Body Shop, and this one is moisturizing toner. So you can use this also on before you're applying your foundation or makeup. You can wipe it, or you can just absorb it into your skin. This one is also affordable. And next one is this Cetaphil moisturizing cream, and this is for dry and sensitive skin. So this one also lasts really long time, and it's really good hydration to the skin. And next one is I also have this Nivea soft cream, and I use this under makeup, before makeup, and it's like moisturizing really nice. And yeah, this one is obviously the most affordable product, and I really like this product a lot. And next one, I also have another sunscreen, and the sunscreen is sunproof, and yeah, 4 hours water resistant, and I always go outside with sunscreen. Yeah, this is my favorite. And next one is this ampoule is from Dr. Oracle, and I purchased this from Korea, and I don't know if they sell it in here, Australia, and yeah, maybe they sell it online or something. Yeah, and this one has like really light texture, and I like to also apply it before my makeup because it gives really good moisturizing and all. And next one is I have this e.l.f. foundation, and I use this product when I sometimes need like light makeup, because this one has like really light coverage, and the color is shade 0.5 fair. So this one has like applicator, and you can just put it on the skin instantly. I've been trying Korean products. I'm gonna use this conditioning milk to remove my makeup on. So I'm gonna try and use it to remove my makeup. And I use this cleansing wipes to wipe the residues. I just removed my foundation, and can you see it? And I'm going to apply this this e.l.f. foundation. I'm just going to try how it's going to look. I think this looks really lightweight, and yeah, I like it. Guys, please comment your favorite affordable products in the comment section, and I want to know what your favorite products are at the end of my video, and I hope you guys liked it, and see you in my next video. Bye bye. So these are all the products that I'm using lately.